today I want to show you how you can make Dole Whip at home. And this is the best Dole Whip recipe I have ever tried. Now, the secret is, and you might not know you can do this, you can actually buy the Dole branded pineapple Dole Whip mix. And you can get it off Amazon, I'll link it below, but it just looks like this. It's the pineapple flavored soft serve mix, and it's from Dole. And so you just need that powdered mix. But what makes it extra good is if you have a Ninja Creami. So Ninja Creamis have become really popular the last few years. It is basically an ice cream machine. And you basically make pint serve sizes of ice cream and you put the mixture together, you freeze it overnight. And then when you put it in the Ninja Creami, it just takes a couple of minutes and it blends it together and makes it into an ice cream consistency. So if you have a Ninja Creami and you have this pineapple flavored Dole Whip mix, you can make soft serve Dole Whip at home and it tastes just like at the park. So that's what I'm going to show you today. And what you want to do is you want to do 3 parts water to 1 part of the powdered mix. So if you mix 3 cups of water with 1 cup of the powdered mix, that's going to make 2 pints of the Dole Whip. So all you need to do, I mean, this is so simple, just mix it with some like cold water. You just mix it up with the whisk until it's mixed together. And then after that's done, you're gonna pour it into the pint containers and freeze it overnight. Okay, so you can see it pretty much fills them up to the max line. If I'm using the smaller size Ninja Creami, so if you have the bigger one, you can just increase the recipe size. But I'm gonna put these lids on and then store them in the freezer for 24 hours. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like frozen. And once it's frozen, then you're just gonna put it in the Ninja Creami and you're gonna put it on the ice cream setting. You're gonna do 1 time of that, and then you're just gonna respin it again on ice cream. So it's gonna do 2 spins. You don't need to add anything. It will just be perfect after 2 spins. Okay, so first we'll do ice cream setting. This will be a little loud. Okay, so it's done its first spin. And I just want to show you what it looks like. So this is after 1 spin. It looks pretty good already, but it does not have that full Dole Whip consistency. You don't need to add anything to this. Sometimes when I've done other creamy recipes like protein ice cream, you have to add a little something. It's a little crumbly. You don't need to do that with the Dole Whip. Then you're going to put it back in. And you're just gonna hit respin, so it's gonna do the ice cream setting 1 more time. All right. So we'll take it out, and there we go. And this honestly tastes just like Dole Whip. So, and you can even see there, like it's just so smooth. So the other thing you can do, if you like Dole Whip floats, put this in like a cup, add some pineapple juice and a straw, and you can make it into a pineapple Dole Whip float, or you can just eat it with a spoon like the Dole Whip ice cream. But this honestly is so good and it tastes just like at the park. So anyway, super easy, and I hope if you try it, please let me know.